Make sure you hit that like and the subscribe button for your boy so we can get this channel to 10,000 subscribers. Let's go. I'm trying to get that YouTube money. Stop playing with me.
Do it! Just
I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader, and on this channel, we help you maximize with gig apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and also Walmart Spark. And today, we got a special message for you, incentive on Walmart Spark. Now look, you wanna make sure you don't miss nothing I tell you in this video, because if you do, it's gonna be the reason you don't make $1,000 with Walmart Spark. Hit each milestone of trips to get the incentive up to $48. From 6/6 to 6/7, complete 12 trips to earn an extra $36. 14 trips to earn an additional $6, totaling in 42, and complete 16 trips to earn an additional $6, totaling in $48. And remember, batch trips count as one. This incentive is only valid for trips in which the zone you initially received the notification. Now look, if you a Walmart Spark driver out there, I need you to make sure that you're getting out bright and early in the morning so you can get as most trips done as possible. If you need 16 trips between 2 days, you need to do at least 8 trips per day, right? But if I was you, I would get a head start because whenever there's an incentive, you just gonna lick the water over there while I'm making my video? That's fine. Whenever it's an incentive, all the Walmart Spark drivers come out and it's gonna be even less orders than normal. So you wanna get out on day one and make sure you really maximize so that you can be in a perfect position to hit your full 16 trips, because look, you may get 8 done on the first day, but it may be hard to get that second 8 on day number 2. So make sure you put yourself in the best position possible and complete more than 8 on the first day so that you can be not having to worry about completing. Now, we're gonna look at this next incentive, which is another one running in conjunction with the one I just told you. Hit each milestone of trips and get an incentive up to $64. So this one is also a Walmart Spark incentive, but it's specific to Sam's Club. Now, this incentive may not be for everybody in every area, but for certain Sam clubs that become overwhelmed with orders during a certain time, they normally throw on an incentive like this. Now, it's very important that you pay close attention to the details when it comes to these Sam's Club incentives, because there's a lot of times there's a certain time frame you need to complete these orders in. And that means you have to accept the order within that time frame and complete the order within that time frame to not have any problems. Because there's been times where I've done orders and completed them outside of the time frame and it didn't count towards my incentive. So make sure you know that ahead of time and be prepared for it so you can be in the best position possible. Now this one, from Tuesday 6/6, which is tomorrow, to Friday, but if you're watching this video today, then it probably is 6/6 already. From Tuesday to Friday, between the hours of 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. Now this is for me. Those hours could change for you, so you want to pay attention to what it says in the fine print of this incentive. Complete 3 trips to earn an extra $12. Now remember, these are Sam's Club only trips, and pharmacy orders from Sam Club do count towards this incentive. Complete 3 trips to earn an extra $12. Complete 5 trips to earn an additional 18, totaling in 30, and complete 8 trips for another $34, totaling in $64 in total incentive. This incentive includes, no, scratch that. This one excludes pharmacy orders. So that's why you got to read the fine print, because a lot of times they include the pharmacy orders on them incentives. Now, for this specific case, they said pharmacy orders are excluded. So you want to make sure you're reading everything and you knowing which orders count towards your incentive and which ones don't. And you also want to make sure that you're completing and accepting those orders within the specified time frame. So for this one, we're going from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. on a 3-day stretch. So that's basically giving you 12 hours to complete this incentive, 12 hours to do 8 trips. Now, you don't have any hours of the day. No, you have 12 specific hours on these days to complete this trip. But with that said, I think that this is achievable. If nothing else, you should be able to at least get 5 trips done. It may be harder to get to that 8, because my thing is I still want to take trips that make sense for me. Miles to money ratio. Where's the drop-off location? Is it going to be round trip miles? These are all things I think about when I'm accepting orders, especially when I'm going for an incentive, because a lot of times you'll see orders that don't have good miles to money ratio. But there's a caveat. Sam's Club orders, they don't show any tips 90% of the time when it comes to Walmart Spark. So maybe 1 in every 10 orders, I will see the tip up front, but for the most part, I have to take Sam's Club orders at face value. Sometimes they be 1-to-1 and I know it's gonna be more tips on there, but I still have to take it at base value and know that this may be all I'm getting. High percentage, it ain't gonna be like that, but I look at it like that so I have myself in the best position possible to still meet my weekly goals. So we got 2 separate incentives running on Walmart Spark in conjunction, and that's on top of all the money you're gonna make while completing all these trips. We got 8 trips right here on this incentive, and on the other one, we got 16 trips. So you're talking about 24 trips in total to get all of these incentives done. In those 24 trips, let's just say you average $10 per trip. You're looking at 240 bucks. And if you watch this channel, you will see that I get payouts way higher than 10 bucks. I would say my order average is somewhere between 25 and 35 bucks because I'm very selective when it comes to Walmart Spark. You do what works for you and make sure when you out there, you maximize. Get them incentives and get. First order of the day, we got $10 for 2 miles. This one came in right when I was at the crib too. All right, order number one, we got it in the car, we ready to go. It's actually order number 1 and 2 because our first order is a batched order. So remember guys, batched orders count as 1 trip towards those Walmart Spark incentives. So this is only gonna give me a 1 towards that Walmart Spark incentive today. I think I need to do about, if I'm not mistaken, 12 trips. I'm gonna double check, but we gotta get a lot of trips done. That's the main thing. So let's go ahead and get to it. Got the first order dropped off. Now this is order number 2 right here. Boom. Easy $10 for 2 miles. Next order, $30.01 exactly for 9 miles. 2 orders, and this one is at the 10:45 drop. So this is a good order that didn't get passed up. And as you can see, I'm sitting right here at Walmart. So I made it right back over here at 10:37, right in time for the 10:45 drop. And boom, I just got that banger order. 3-to-1. 3-to-1 miles to money ratio on this order. So this is gonna be a great order number 2. Great way to start off my day. I'll be at $40 in the first hour. I like that. That's how I like to make money. And this is gonna be order number 2 towards my Walmart Spark incentive. Let's go ahead and see how many orders we need to do for it. So it looks like I need to do 16 trips in total. That would mean I need to get 8 trips done today and another 8 done tomorrow. But like I was saying yesterday, what I like to do is I like to get as many trips done on day number 1 as possible, because what you gotta realize is the more time go by as this incentive goes on, the less orders that are gonna become available. I'm actually very lucky to get this order that's paying me 3-to-1 miles money ratio at $30. It'd be an energy drink, man. I'm just yawning, but look, let me slide on over here and get parking spot number 1 so I can get this next order and get it delivered quickly. Maybe I'll stop somewhere and grab me a drink. We are approaching drop off number 2. It was only a 10-minute drive down this way. And you know what? I don't even mind that. As long as this traffic stay like this and these roads stay clear, that works for me. But then look at this. I'm finna start going down these private roads where the road gets skinny and have a whole bunch of potholes. See, this is where it get dicey. Look at all that grass over there. All corn and grass. Like, look, it's getting dicey. And then look at that. You got cars pulling out. And a little nice neighborhood on this one. This one is back in the cut. I mean, you literally had to drive in the middle of nowhere to make it over here. I like this. Look at that. They building new houses over here. Okay, I see my destination right up there. Let's get it. Walmart Spark drop off number 2. Front door service. Alrighty, now it's time to head back to Walmart and see what we can get next. Shout out to my boy Van, Side Hustle Addict. I'm sitting here watching his live stream. He be going live. He be doing his thing. Alrighty, guys, we got our next order. This one came in at $29.52 for 4.9 items, and it is a Walmart Spark shop and deliver. Now, I was on the curbside pickup side, so I'm gonna go ahead and slide over to this other side real quick. Look at my seatbelt thing just going off. I should have put my seatbelt on, but I'm heading over to the grocery side so we can go ahead and get us a cart, grab these 22 items, and then drive them 4 miles away and go ahead and be done with it. Let's get it. This is order number 3 right here. And you know what? I'm actually happier that I got this order because the shop and delivers have lower miles because you got to do more. You got to go in, get a card, shop. So I'd rather do a shop and deliver because that's going to put me right back in the area where I need to be so that I can get my next order, which is going to be probably a Sam's Club order, because they got a Sam's Club promotion going from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. today. And only in that time slot are the orders going active towards that incentive. So I got to maximize. So I'm finna knock out this shop and deliver, then I'm finna be right back to Sam's Club. Ain't nothing but fields and dirt. What is going on? All right, we approaching our destination. This one is a shop and deliver. Almost $30 on this one. And you know what? The shopping wasn't even too bad. Another successful Walmart Spark delivery. On to the next one. Alrighty, first 2 hours down, we made 60 bucks. We did 3 orders. One order that paid almost 30 bucks, another one for 20, and then another one for 10 bucks. So we looking good. Now, let's see if we can make another 60 bucks when I head back out in the next shift. But look, if you made it this far in the video, make sure that you're taking advantage of those incentives, because these are gonna be going by quick and the orders are not gonna be, hey, it's not gonna be a lot of great orders, so make sure you maximize on day 1. I'm your boy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Look, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave me with a like and a subscribe. And also, go ahead and check out whatever video YouTube throwing up here. If they got one over here, or maybe it's down here. Alrighty, guys, we made it back to the crib. Now we gonna sit here and we gonna get that screenshot and we gonna throw it on in there. Let's see, what we gonna copy it to? Let's copy this screenshot to a file folder for today's 6/6 daily vlog screenshots. Boom. Now it's right there. Now we're gonna take that screenshot and throw it onto the DaVinci Resolve timeline like so. And boom. Now we got our screenshot right there. Hit that little magnet button. We're gonna link that up like that. Boom. Now we can zoom in on that. Scroll it down. And as you can see here, I'm at $318 on my confirmed weekly earnings. And for unconfirmed, we sitting at 84. So $400 already. Boom. Now you see it. So as you can see, we got 318 in confirmed weekly earnings and 84 in unconfirmed weekly earnings, bringing our total to $400 on day number 2 of this week. So we in good shape. Already sitting at $400, and the week still got time to get out there and get more orders done. But I just wanted to show you guys, when I get in every day, I download my footage, throw my screenshots in the DaVinci, and then I start editing. And actually what I'm gonna end up doing today is this clip that I'm recording right now, I'm gonna throw this onto this timeline, and it's gonna be the end of this video. Look, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave me with a like and a subscribe. And also, go ahead and check out whatever video YouTube throwing up here. If they got one over here, or maybe it's down here, or maybe it's over there. I don't know, you know where they put the subscribe button at these days. But the main thing is, thank you so much for watching this channel. Thank you for supporting. We will have more things coming in the future, more exciting things coming. And stay tuned for it. As always, I'm your boy, Dashing Trader, FDA, and I'll catch you in the next one.